This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baisden. Charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home centrally located close to shopping, restaurants, Oceana, and all major traffic routes. Home has been beautifully updated with luxury vinyl planking throughout, kitchen and baths, HVAC and water heater all replaced in the last 5 to 7 years. This home is move-in ready or great for an investor. Current tenant would love to stay. For more information, review the details below.